Hi, this is how to install the Khan Academy Kids app on your Chromebook. Step 1 is to find the Google Play Store. Here it is. Open the Google Play Store. Do a search for Khan Academy Kids. Here it is. You're going to select Install. And once you install this on your Chromebook, it will be attached to your Google account, your @SeriesUSD account. So any Chromebook that you have in the future, if you have to get a loaner or if you get a new one or if you log into a different one, your Khan Academy Kids app will be loaded onto that Chromebook. So you don't need to download it onto every single Chromebook. You only need to do it once because it's attached to your account. So now that this is installed, you see it here. If you don't see it right away here, you might have to do a search for it. Go back to the launcher, lift this up, and scroll down, and you'll see it down here. I recommend that you pin to shelf. So you can see here it's already pinned to my shelf. That means I'm always going to see it here. Go ahead and launch it.
Khan Academy Kids.
You're going to need to OK the microphone, allow, and then go up here and sign in with class code. Type the code, and here you will enter the code that we sent to you via Parent Square. Have fun. This app is awesome. I hope you enjoy it. You can play whenever you'd like. Thank you. To exit, you kind of hover over here and use the X. All right. Have fun.